Wait, let me ask you something. Have you ever opened your mouth to speak English and suddenly everything disappeared? Not the grammar, not the rules, just the words. Gone.
Oh, yeah. That moment? I know it too well.
And the funny thing is, you know English. You studied, you watched videos, you understand movies, but when it's time to speak, your brain just freezes.
Mm. And people always think it's because of grammar, but honestly, it's not.
Hey, I'm Emma,
And I'm Robert.
and today we're talking about something that blocks millions of people.
Why you don't need perfect grammar to speak English.
So, Robert, let me start with this. Why do people believe they must speak perfectly before they speak at all?
Well, I think it starts at school. You know, tests, red pens, mistakes everywhere.
Yeah. One mistake and you feel stupid.
Exactly. So people grow up thinking, if I'm not correct, I shouldn't speak.
Which is crazy because kids speak before grammar.
Oh, yes. Kids say things like, me want water, and nobody stops them.
Right. No one says, stop. That's incorrect grammar.
They just understand.
So let me ask you something else. Why do adults do the opposite?
Because adults are afraid of judgment.
Fear.
Yeah, fear sounds small, but it's powerful.
More powerful than grammar books.
Way more. Real Hayot Misali.
I remember a student once told me, I know what I want to say, but my brain is checking grammar while I speak.
Oh, wow. That's the worst moment.
Yeah, it's like driving and checking the engine while moving.
You crash.
Every time.
You know, people don't realize this, but native speakers don't think about grammar either.
Never.
They think about meaning
And emotions.
and connection.
Honestly, if natives thought about grammar, they would never finish a sentence.
True. They break rules all the time.
All the time. So here's a question for you listening right now. Do you want to sound perfect or do you want to be understood?
Because you can't have both at the beginning.
And that's okay.
Actually, that's normal.
Let me say something important very slowly.
Listen carefully.
You do not speak English by learning grammar.
You speak English by speaking English
Sounds obvious, but most people forget it.
every day.
In the next part, we'll talk about why your brain actually blocks words when you try to speak.
And why grammar isn't the enemy, fear is.
Stay with us.
This part changes everything.
Okay, let's go deeper now. Because here's the thing. People think their problem is vocabulary or grammar or pronunciation, but it's not.
Yeah. The real problem is what happens inside the brain.
Exactly. And this part is important because once you understand this, everything changes.
So imagine this. Your brain has two modes,
One is thinking mode.
and the other is speaking mode.
And here's the problem. Most English learners try to use both at the same time.
Which is impossible.
Yes, it's like trying to read and write and edit all at once.
Your brain freezes.
That freeze moment when words disappear, that's not stupidity.
Not at all.
That's your brain saying, too much pressure,
Too many rules.
too much fear.
You know what's sad? People blame themselves.
Yeah, they say, I'm bad at English,
Or, I don't have language talent.
which is not true at all. I once met a woman who could explain complex ideas perfectly in her native language.
Smart? Confident?
But in English, she became silent.
Same brain, same person.
Different emotional state.
Fear changes everything.
It slows your thinking
Blocks memory.
and tightens your body.
Even your voice.
Honestly, some people sound nervous even when ordering coffee. Can I, coffee? And the barista's like, it's okay, take your time.
But inside, the person is panicking.
Let's pause here.
Yeah, this matters.
Your brain is not broken.
You're not bad at English.
You're just trying to be perfect too early.
Perfection sounds positive.
But in language learning, it's dangerous.
Because perfection kills flow.
And language is flow. Think about music.
Oh, good example.
If you stop every second to play the perfect note,
You never finish the song.
same with English.
So here's a question for you listening.
When you speak English, are you focused on meaning or mistakes?
Be honest.
Let's try something.
Okay,
Say this sentence without stopping.
no thinking.
I want to explain my idea.
Is it perfect?
No.
Is it understandable?
Yes.
That's enough.
Communication first.
Correction later.
Always.
Here's a secret.
Native speakers make mistakes too.
All the time.
They just don't stop speaking.
That's the difference.
In the next part, we'll talk about what you should do instead of focusing on grammar.
Simple habits
Daily actions.
that actually make you fluent.
Stay with us.
This is where things get practical.
All right. Now let's get practical. Because understanding the problem is good, but knowing what to do, that's what really matters.
Yeah. People don't need more theory.
They need simple habits
Habits that feel safe.
and realistic. Let's start with something important.
Okay.
Stop translating in your head,
This is huge.
because translation slows everything down.
Your brain can't keep up.
And when it can't keep up, it panics.
Think about this.
You want to say something simple,
Like, I'm tired.
but instead, your brain goes,
What's tired in my language?
then, how do I say that in English?
Then, is this correct grammar?
And boom, you freeze. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone.
Millions of people do this.
Every day. So what's the alternative?
Simple.
Think in chunks.
Not full sentences.
Chunks are small pieces of language.
Like, I think that.
In my opinion,
I'm not sure, but
because your brain loves patterns.
chunks feel safe.
No grammar thinking.
Just flow.
Let's do a small exercise.
You can try this today.
Pick one chunk.
Only one.
For example, I think that.
Now use it 5 times.
Not perfectly.
Just naturally.
You might sound repetitive.
That's okay.
Native speakers repeat all the time.
All the time. Now, let's be clear.
Grammar is not useless
But it has its place.
after speaking.
Not before.
Think about driving.
Okay.
First, you drive.
Then later you improve.
You don't wait to be perfect before driving.
Same with English.
Now, let's talk about fear.
The real enemy.
Fear of mistakes.
Fear of sounding stupid.
Fear of silence. Here's a trick.
A simple one.
When you don't know a word, pause.
Don't panic.
Say,
Or, let me think.
This gives your brain time.
Native speakers do this.
Silence is not bad.
Rushing is.
Speed kills clarity.
Always.
So let me ask you,
What's worse?
a small pause?
Or not speaking at all?
Let's make this easy.
Very easy.
Aim for small wins. One sentence. One thought.
That's it.
Speak slower than you think.
Pause more than feels normal.
And breathe.
Yes, breathe.
Fluency is not speed.
It's comfort.
It's confidence.
It's connection.
If you're listening to this and you feel stuck,
Just know you're closer than you think.
you don't need perfect grammar
You need courage.
and practice.
That's it.
Thanks for being with us today.
We're glad you stayed.
If this helped you,
Keep speaking,
even imperfectly,
especially imperfectly.